What's up, Caliper King Nation? It's Thanasi, Caliper King, and today I'm going to show you the 3 tools that you could use to retract these emergency brake parking mechanism calipers. Let's go.
So here is the screw in the piston. This will enter that little orifice right there and screw in clockwise. Here's our first tool, the cube. You take the cube, make sure you're pushing as you're ratcheting clockwise. You want to make sure that the 2 points on the piston are up and down. Tool number 2, the W80627. Use your ratchet, the 3/8, and slowly twist in and push at the same time like the cube. Tool number 3, your basic needle nose plier. Again, you're going to push and turn clockwise until you get those 2 notches into the up and down position, like so. And there you have it.